Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can merge partitions on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Now here in my Windows, I have three drives. I have the Windows C drive, the new volume D drive, and the Google Drive, the Google E drive. So we are going to merge the Windows C drive and the new volume D drive. By merging two partitions, you will increase the size of the partition, or you will increase the size of one partition. Now, before we can merge two partitions, make sure that all the data, all the files, all the videos, folders, settings on the drive that you are going to merge for another drive has been backed up. So if I have files from the new volume D drive, then I just need to simply copy everything from here and then paste it here in the anywhere in the Windows C drive, or paste it here in the desktop. Now, once that is done, so once you have done backed up everything, all the data of the drive that we are going to merge into the another drive, then we need to do or perform the process of merging it. So right click at this PC, select show more options, click on manage. Now this window will appear, computer management window. Here you'll find disk management. Click on that. And here we can see the new volume D drive, the Windows C drive, and all the other drive of our Windows. So all we have to do in order to merge it is right click at the new volume D drive and select delete volume. Make sure that you have backed up any data of this volume. So as what I have said earlier, click on yes. Now we have created this 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space, which is the new volume D drive earlier. So here, with the Windows C drive, you need to make a right click and select Extend Volume. Click on Next. Click on Next. Do not make any changes from here. And then click on Finish. And that's it. You have just merged the Windows C drive and the like the new drive, which is the D drive. So now the size or the capacity of the Windows C drive has been increased to 465.31 gigabytes because we have merged the new volume D drive and the Windows C drive. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.